The call to entrepreneurship is like the call to adventure. You don't know exactly how it's going to turn out or what's going to happen. So I was trying to buy a laundromat in summer of 2020, and I was not taken seriously by the distributors that I reached out to. I got a phone call from LaundryLux Distribution, and they said, "Hey, we've got a great store for you in Tampa." And I said, "Heck yeah, let's do it." You have to see what you're made of, and you have to see if your vision is what you think it can be. This is a story of the laundromat that almost never was. Hi, I'm Jamie Sewell, and I'm the owner and founder of Clean Vibes Laundry Company in Tampa, Florida, and I am the boss here. Relationships are everything, and trust is everything. And when I'm working with somebody, I always think about, do I like them? Would I be happy to give them a call? And would they be happy to take my phone call? And if the answer to one of those questions is no, then they're not your person.
Basically, we brought the location to Jamie. We worked with her to secure this location. We went through the total process of layouts, acquisition, and installation.
So this laundromat was definitely a loved zombie mat, I will say. Some of the equipment was 30 plus years old and definitely on its last legs. So it needed a lot of work. So I knew right away that we were going to renovate and retool the laundromat with LaundryLux. So we started that process shortly after we bought it and brought the vision to life in January 2023. Within 1 month of purchasing this laundromat, before we even had a chance to retool, we had the worst case scenario happen, and we had a fire in one of our dryers. A customer put highly flammable clothing in the dryer and it caught on fire. Thank God we had a customer grab the fire extinguisher and they put it out, and there was no major damage. There's really two features that I absolutely love and give me a lot of peace of mind. The first is the eco-dry feature that dries the clothes based on smart sensing technology. That gives me peace of mind knowing that there's not going to be a dryer fire in these dryers. And then the second feature that I really love is the auto reverse tumbling, because I know that people's clothes are going to come out wrinkle-free, fluffier, drier. They're not going to be in a ball. And so our customers really appreciate that. And so it makes us at Clean Vibes look great.
Yeah, it's good. Bueno. It's good, I like it. Yeah, casi toda la semana vengo, lavo, todo bien, me gusta, las máquinas perfectas, buenas, nuevas, good, aire, buenas condiciones.
So I think women are particularly well suited for entrepreneurship. We are used to juggling many different things: jobs, kids, family, and we're able to oftentimes multitask exceptionally well. One of the areas that LaundryLux tries to do things differently is by recruiting and employing and investing in women. So LaundryLux has more women working for its organization. They invest in their culture in a way that is friendly to women, and they do really prioritize women owners, which is just a really exciting thing to see.